Hey guys, morning. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go and climb the Great Wall of China. It took me 4 years to do this. I'm really excited to go. And yeah, I'll show you how it goes. Yeah. Morning! Thank you. Going up, 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 up. She's on her phone. I think she's a bit scared. So she's a tour guide, we should just walk behind her and listen. We made it, we made it. So we stopped for a beer stop because it's just too hot. So we're about to go on the toboggan ride and Elise is so excited for this one. So thank you for putting us in charge. He was going absolutely crazy. We finished the Great Wall. It was so much fun. Really hot. Really hot. I wore like leggings and I wish I didn't. But it was so good, and now we're going back to the shuttle bus to go down. Watch so many. No, go. I don't. For cabin crew when they join. Yeah, same. That's. Hey guys, so I just got back from the Great Wall of China. Feeling so sleepy now, but it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. Just 3 of us went, and we hired a private guy from the hotel to take us, so we paid a little bit more than usual, but yeah, I won't go into detail about that because obviously people make their own way there, and we all stayed in different hotels anyway. But definitely something that you should take off your list. It was worth it, 100%. When he took us there, it took us like an hour and a half to get there, and then when we got there, it's really well organized. You go to the ticket counter, and then you just select which kind of way you want to go up and down. I don't really know all the details, but I know that we went up by cable car and came down by the toboggan, which was so much fun. So we paid 180 yuan. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's the local currency here in Beijing. We paid the currency 180, and then that took us up with the cable car and then back down on the toboggan. Obviously in the meanwhile we were on the wall. There's places to eat and drink. We had a nice beer together, the 3 of us. There's definitely places you can get some snacks, so it's not something that you have to worry about, and there's access to the bathrooms as well. So yeah, the weather was so hot. Like, I completely underestimated how hot it would be. I was wearing like leggings like that, and I was on fire. So if you're coming in the summer, now it's August, the start of August, so if you're coming in the summer, definitely wear shorts and a t-shirt and put sunscreen because it was boiling. But yeah, it was definitely worth it. Loved it, and hope you guys enjoy. As usual, thank you so much for watching. I'm about to take a nap and have something to eat and get ready for my flight back to Dubai.